the criteria for items categorized as movers on the Set Movers criteria. As mentioned, QRA's default is 10. However, if that number does not accurately reflect your company's needs, feel free to change the number. I've now set my criteria to 75. All products with an average of at least 75 orders on a time interval to time interval basis now show up. Last but not least, we have the set trend criteria as seen over here. You'll have noticed that products are also categorized according to trends. We have the downward arrow, the upward arrow, the moon icon, and the sun. These icons indicate trends on the mid and short term. The arrow takes a look at order numbers between T1 and T3 and compares them to the order numbers between T4 and T7. If there has been an increase or decrease of at least 15% in order numbers, that product will be categorized with an arrow. The downward arrow indicates a decrease of at least 15%, and the upward arrow indicates an increase of at least 15% when averaging the order numbers between T1 and T3 and comparing them to T4 to T7. The sun and the moon look at order numbers on the short term, looking for increases or decreases of at least 15% between T2 and T1. Items iconed with the moon have all had a decrease in order numbers between T2 to T1 of at least 15%. However, the items with the sun symbol indicate an increase when comparing T2 to T1 of at least 15%. You can change the percentage criteria under the Set Trend criteria filter. By changing the criteria to 30%, several items have been recategorized to indicate an increase or decrease of at least 30% in the midterm. Let's do the same for the sun and moon icon. And you'll see the products have been recategorized. You can also change the time intervals that the sun and moon icon look at. By changing the sun and moon time to 2, you'll see that my view has changed. And now the comparison is from T3 to T2, as well as T2 to T1. If there has been an increase or decrease of at least 15%, that item will be iconed with a sun or a moon. First one you see when clicking on the product journey. Simply save it. That way, next time when I click on View, I'll see movers and revenue, and by clicking it, it'll bring me to that page. By hovering over the order numbers, in addition to the product name, the ASIN, and combined revenue, you'll also see the dates going back 7 days, along with information about inventory. Here we see the number of items that are available on Amazon shelves. Here we have the number of items that are available in merchant warehouses. And FC transfer are the number of items that are being transferred from warehouse to warehouse. Here we have the inventory details, where we can drill down and see more details about the inventory. And here we have the product details, which will bring us to the product drill down dashboard.